If SketchUp keeps crashing and you're seeing the BugSplat error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. A BugSplat is basically a crash report dialog that appears when SketchUp runs into an unexpected problem, and it's often caused by corrupted files, very heavy models, outdated graphics drivers, a bad extension, or even an installation issue. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to troubleshoot the problem properly, save time, and get SketchUp running again. And before we dive in, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful SketchUp tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should check is your graphics driver. In many cases, SketchUp BugSplat errors are caused by outdated or unstable GPU drivers, especially if your graphics card hasn't been updated in a while. If you have an Nvidia card, go directly to the Nvidia website and download the latest driver for your specific model. If you're using AMD, do the same from the official AMD website. It's always better to download drivers from the manufacturer instead of relying on generic updates, because SketchUp depends heavily on graphics performance. After installing the new driver, restart your computer and test SketchUp again. If the BugSplat happens only when you open one specific file, then the issue may be tied to that model rather than SketchUp itself. In that case, try opening the file on a different machine if possible. If it opens somewhere else, the file might be too heavy or may contain corrupted geometry or broken components. Once the file is open, go to Window, then Model Info, then Statistics, and click Purge Unused. This removes leftover components, materials, and data that SketchUp doesn't need anymore. After that, save the file as a new version so that you have a cleaned up copy to work with. This simple step can often reduce file size and eliminate the crash. Another important fix is to repair your SketchUp installation, especially if you're using Windows. Sometimes the program files themselves can become damaged or incomplete. To do this, open the Windows control panel, find the SketchUp installer, right-click it, and choose Repair. Let Windows complete the process, then restart your system and try SketchUp again. This can fix missing files, broken settings, and other installation-related issues without requiring a full reinstall. If SketchUp crashes as soon as it starts up, one of your extensions or plugins could be the cause. This is very common if you recently installed a new tool or updated an existing one. To test this, temporarily disable or remove any recently added plugins and then reopen SketchUp. If the program launches normally after that, you've likely found the problem. The best approach is to re-enable extensions one at a time so you can identify which one is causing the crash. Once you find it, either update it, replace it, or leave it disabled. Now let's look at graphics engine settings, because this can make a big difference, especially in newer versions like SketchUp 2025. If your model crashes while orbiting, zooming, or working in scenes, try switching graphics settings. You can also try disabling high accuracy scenes if that option is turned on. Some systems work better with the classic graphics engine, while others perform better with the newer engine. The key is to test both and see which one is more stable on your computer. After changing the setting, restart SketchUp and check whether the issue is gone. If the file is still causing trouble, another good workaround is to import it into a brand new blank model. Open a new SketchUp file first, then use File Import to bring in the problematic model. Sometimes this bypasses hidden issues inside the original file environment and gives you a cleaner starting point. This method is especially useful when a file won't open normally, or when it crashes only in one specific project but not in others. As a quick recap, start with the graphics drivers, then test the file on another machine, purge unused content, repair SketchUp on Windows, disable recent extensions, switch graphics engine settings, and finally try importing the model into a blank file. These steps solve a huge number of SketchUp BugSplat issues and can save you a lot of frustration. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more SketchUp tips, fixes, and workflow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.